'Cause I'm from a small town, southern drunk crowd. We're sipping clear, drinking beer on a Friday night. Every country girl got on a cutoff, shaking her hips, take a trip, buddy, tell me I'm a liar. So circle up the trucks around the fire, so kicking up some dust behind the tires. Call it cliche, but age, take it from me, it's still going down in the country. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome new Morgan Wallen song. I love Morgan Wallen. So this is Still Going Down, and yeah, he just barely released it. So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, or if there's other songs you want to learn. Please hit like so that more people will see the video, and please hit subscribe so that you can see the video, so you can see more videos yourself, all right? Okay, enough of that stuff, promotional stuff. So this song's super easy to play. It's in standard tuning. There's no capo on it or anything, so very easy. There's only 4 chords you're going to use. I'm going to show you where you're going to use them and the strumming pattern and everything. Okay, so you're going to start with F. All right, now some people have a hard time doing the bar on F. If you do, just don't bar it. Just do that. Okay, it'll still be very similar. All right, you just won't want to hit those bottom notes. Okay. All right, but you're going to do F, A minor 7. If you don't know A minor 7, it's the same as A minor. You just take your ring finger off. G, okay, G, C. All right, so it's F, A minor 7, G, C. Okay. So when you play it, you're going to play that twice. So you're going to do. Like that. You're going to play that through twice with no lyrics. Excuse me. Now the way that you play that, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's one time slowly and softly, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. All right, so you're gonna play that through twice, and then you're gonna play it loud like that. And then when you get to the verse, you're gonna do it softer. You're gonna do the way I talk. I guess I got it from my pops. Probably took some kneeling down. Okay, so that's how you're gonna play it softer like that. Now I'm gonna show you. You do the way I talk. Talk is F. Talk. I guess I got it. Okay, I got it is gonna be A minor 7. I got it from my pops. Probably took is G. Took some kneeling down in a town, in a town is C, in a town where the doors don't lock. Okay, lock is F, lock. And there's a million is A minor 7, a million other people like me is G, me, from a scene a little, all right, from a scene a little, all right, a little is gonna be a C, a little more podunk than pop, okay? Pop is F. Pop. I didn't choose. Okay, didn't is A minor 7. Didn't choose being born in the sticks. Sticks is G. Sticks. And I'll be damned if I sound. F is C. If I sound like I ain't. Okay, F is ain't is F. Ain't. For some folks is A minor 7. Some folks. The backyard gets old as G, old, but for me it just can't. So then you're gonna do can't. All right, then you're gonna do down, down, up, mute, 'cause I'm, all right. So then you're gonna go into the chorus. So it just can't. All right, down, down, up, 'cause I'm, and then you go into the chorus, okay? Now for the chorus you're gonna do, 'cause I'm is F, I'm from a small town. Okay, at the end of town, you're gonna do A minor 7. Town, southern draw crowd. Okay, crowd is G. Crowd, we're sipping clear, drinking beer. Drinking beer is C. Drinking beer on a Friday night. Night is F. Night, every country girl. Okay, at the end of girl, you're gonna do A minor 7. Girl got on the cutoff. So after cut off, you're gonna do G. Cut off, shaking her hips, take a trip. Okay, shaking her hips, take, and then take is C. Take a trip, buddy, tell me I'm a liar. All right, liar is F. fire. So circle up. Circle up is A minor 7. Circle up, big chucks around the fire. All right, fire is G. Fire. So kicking up. All right, kicking up some dust. All right, kicking is C is kicking. Kicking up some dust behind the tires. All right, tires is F. Tires. Call it cliche. Okay, so call it cliche is A minor 7. Call it cliche, but hey, just take it from is G. From A, it's still, so then it's is gonna be C. It's still going down in the country. Country is F, okay? Country. So then what you're gonna do is like the intro again, you're gonna play the F A minor, G, C, twice, and then you're going to go into the next verse. Now remember, for the chorus you're going to play it louder, but it's the same strumming pattern and everything, okay? So and by the way, just a caveat on this, there's not there is one way that he plays it, but I'm just showing you an easy way to play it. So I think this sounds pretty dang close, but let me, if there's other ways that you guys think are better or something, feel free to post them in the comments, and you guys can more than welcome to take those as well, okay? So anyway, that's how you play it now. So now you know how to play the intro, the interludes, and the chorus. There's no bridge to this song, it's just another interlude, so it's really easy. So just let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments or other song requests, and thanks, it's been fun. I'll see you next time.